Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you this scooter from Yadea, the G5S. Basically it's an electric scooter equivalent to the 125 cc's, and in standard we do have things that I like: this backrest for the pillion, which turns the ride more comfortable. The engine on this scooter, it's different from the traditional. Usually they are attached to the rear wheel. This one is a central engine. Then we do have a belt attached to the wheel, dashboard, handlebar, and all these things here I will talk while riding. It's a keyless scooter, so I just need to have the key on my pocket and use this button to connect it and to open the seat to access the batteries. We have two batteries, one underneath the seat and one here. Other things, as you can see, look, it's very small, it's compact. It weighs around 81 kilograms without the batteries. With the batteries, it's more 23 kilograms, so it's around 100 kilograms total weight of the scooter. So it makes it very agile in the middle of the traffic, and this is basically designed for urban mobility. Okay, inside the city, it's where she feels more comfortable. To commute between cities, it's not where she feels at home. Having said this, we're going to start to have a look at the motorcycle or the scooter from the front to the back. So here on the front we do have everything is LED. The blinkers here on the top, I like it. The logo here. Nav is the dealership that lent me this motorcycle. Everything LED. Front suspensions with a diameter of 30 millimeters. One disc 220 millimeters. And to complete the set we do have a 12 inches rim with the CST tires dimensions 90/90. Here on the rear we're going to start with the bottom, where we do have a central stand, a side stand, and the foot pegs for the pillion. Then the seat, like I said, they are here. The main thing, we do have a backrest for the pillion, which makes it more comfortable for them to ride. The reflectors here with the logo of the brand, it's a nice touch. Everything is LED exactly as in the front. It comes equipped with a swing arm with twin shock suspension, one disc 220 millimeters, and exactly the same 12 inches rim. In this case the tires are the same CST with the dimensions 100/80. Regarding the engine of the motorcycle, we are talking about the 4100 engine, central engine like I showed you, which is different from the others. Then we do have the two batteries, one underneath the seat and one underneath our foot. To open the seat we use this switch here. Like I said, it's keyless, you just have to turn to this side and it's open. And we have one of the batteries here, 72 volts, 20 amps. They are removable, both of them. We have the switch where you can disconnect. If you're not going to use the motorcycle, disconnect it, so it's okay. And this other switch to open the second battery here underneath our feet, exactly the same as the first one. With these two batteries we do have inside the city a range of 115 kilometers if you do not push too much the motorcycle. As you will see while I'm on the road, it is hard to reach those ranges because I do have a heavy throttle. Other things, they are removable, or you can charge it here. There's a plug here. They do supply you with the charger, so everything is here, no big deal. Each battery weighs around 111 kilograms, so total weight of 23 kilograms with the batteries, not big deals. Charging time around 4 hours, I think it is good. And of course we are talking batteries that they have all the protections that you need by overcharging and all those things that it is necessary to nowadays to have on these scooters, because they are designed also to ride on the rain. Talking about riding, let's see how she behaves on the road. here we are on board of the Yadea G5S. This is an electric scooter, like I told you, and mainly for in-city use or urban use. It's not designed for long travels, long commutes and stuff like that. With a scooter like this, let's go this way, we can discover maybe there's some exit here. We can discover other routes because she's very agile, very nimble, very easy to maneuver, and I'm gonna find new ways. So we go this way. If in the end there is no exit, it is very easy to turn around. 98 kilograms, so it's maneuverable, easy to pick up. This way, let's go. We're gonna discover, easy to pick up, turn around, do whatever you want, and it has a really nice engine. It is not the most powerful engine in the world. It's 4,100 watts, but it's more than enough for your everyday commutes, for moving around inside the city. If you need to go commute between cities, it is not designed for that. It will do it, okay, because I picked up this scooter yesterday outside of the place where I live in Lisbon, and I live in Sintra, and I had to do the commute between Lisbon and Sintra, and I had to pick up highway or a fast street. And since the top speed on this G5S it's only 80 kilometers an hour. Where am I? Just have to find where am I. I can go this way. I don't care. Only 80 kilometers an hour. You feel that you are not safe. At least that's the feeling that I had while I was riding there. That I wasn't safe, because everyone else was going much faster than what I was going, and even if I was going on the right lane at 80 kilometers an hour on those kind of streets, it is slow. 80 kilometers an hour here, where it's near the city, low traffic, it's okay, it's more than enough. It looks like you are going very fast, which in reality you are not, and here she behaves fine. More than that, I do not advise to go outside of the city with this scooter. It's doable, but it's not the best solution. Other things, in the city, of course, you'll have better range with the scooter, because you will not be pushing it as I was pushing it while I was on those on that commute yesterday, because I was pushing it to the limit, and with that I did 23 kilometers and I spent 30% battery, and I'm telling you, I was pushing it really hard. Every time, every chance I had, I was full throttle, 80 kilometers an hour, 81 kilometers an hour, so I was really pushing it, and that was the range I did. Here in the city I don't need to go at those speeds, and for that it can go in eco mode, which one of the modes that we have, and it's more than enough for you to ride inside the city, okay, which gives you more range, doesn't give you too much power. It limits it to 50 kilometers an hour, but it's more than enough, and you can do your commutes, and you can spend more time with this scooter without having to charge it. And I do think it's a good option. Eco mode in the city, power mode if you decide to commute outside of the city, but again, 80 kilometers, it's the top speed that you will be able to reach with this scooter. Another things, handlebar and the dashboard, as you can see, we have a really big it's a TFT 7 inches I think dashboard here. We have battery information, speed, riding mode, eco and power, odometer, and here you have the amperage of the battery. So basically what I say, it's the RPMs of the electric motors, motorcycles, scooters, whatever, and it is okay, you can see everything perfectly, but in my opinion it's a waste of space. It could have more information or be a little bit more beautiful. let's say it's really minimalistic. It has the essential that you need, all black and white, and that's it. That's all the things that you have. Then you have the handlebar, passing lights, high beams, low beams, blinkers left and right, and look at this. Okay, you have a signal saying that it's blinking, then a horn and cruise control. On the other side we do have hazard lights right here, then the daylight here. It is the P button. It's for you to take the motorcycle from park and make it ready. When it will show indication there saying ready, it means that the motorcycle, it's, let's say, it engage the power, the engine it's on, and you can give it throttle to go. If you park and you press P, I'm gonna park it here. If I do something like this, I press P, now I can give you throttle. It is not moving, okay, it's in park position. So again I press P, it comes to this dashboard ready there, and now I give it throttle and I can go. And the other one, it's the mode button to change between eco and power. Like I said, I'm riding in eco, it's more than enough, I don't need more than eco. Then here we have some storage. Here I have my phone, look, it's there. Then we do have the hook here for the groceries, and the button to connect the motorcycle. It's keyless, so I have the key in my pocket. I just need to turn the button to one side and it will connect, turn to the other side, and it will open the seat. Talking about seat, we do not have any storage on this scooter, because we have two batteries, one underneath the seat, another one underneath my feet, and we do need a top case, at least a little top case, if you do not want to carry stuff like you have been watching on the clips, on the B-rolls that's been passing by. I'm carrying two luggages, one on the front with my shooting gear, and one in the back where you don't know, but there is where I'm carrying the charger for the scooter. It's not the ideal, but it's the only solution that I had, so it is what it is. So my recommendation is, yes, you can, please, if you like it, you can buy it. You can buy you can buy this Yadea G5S. It's a really interesting scooter for urban mobility, but you will need a top case. Other things, this way, the suspensions, they are a little bit hard, okay? It's a scooter, they manage things, okay? Every little bump you feel it. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do. The brakes, it's combined brake system, so let me go here and I'm gonna do hard brake here. You will listen to this, okay? Basically that's the rear brake locking and the wheel turning on the sides again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so basically that's it. And if you have your hands here on the levers, you will feel when you are using the brakes, you will feel the other lever working as well. So combined brake system, it works, okay? Again, 98 kilograms, I think it's the weight of the motorcycle, then plus the 25 with the batteries. It's very light, okay? Even if you do a hard brake, it's easy to control the motorcycle, no issues there. And look, this is a steep hill and I can go. It's better than walking, okay? This is usually what I say, it's better than walking. So it did the hill, no issues there, just fine. And you can continue your commute and do the things that you want to do. Now we go back, we go down again, just because I am traveling here and showing you how she behaves in the middle of the city, where in my opinion, again, it's where she feels more comfortable. Having said this, guys, I had presented you this electric scooter, another model, another brand available in my country, and it's a good solution. Of course, I would like it to have a better engine or a bigger engine, or 6000 engine, but then Also, with the being this small, being this light, I do think that the 6000 engine or over that would be sized engine for this scooter. So this one, it's well balanced. A 6000, maybe it would go from let me say a scooter with good performance to a scooter that would become very dangerous on the road with that kind of engine, and this is my opinion. So again, like, I'm gonna rephrase this: 4100, it's not the biggest engine out there, but for everyday commute inside your city, it's more than enough. Having said this, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. So I'm gonna say bye. Go 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 go. I will not be able to reach the 80. No, I don't think so. Let me see, 70. No, it won't get there, but I tried. See you in the next one.